Hello, I'm Charles Cole, running for State Assembly. Today, I dropped off my manifesto of issues to my opponent Steve Bennett. In these turbulent times, I'm making it absolutely clear that I stand with police, the protectors of law and order that we all depend on. I won't kneel to Marxist-led BLM, because race hatred and racial discrimination and racial profiling has no place in America, and BLM offers no solutions, only violence. I stand with parents and students for school choice, which means vouchers. I stand against rewriting our history in California textbooks, and I stand against communist teachers and school boards using our tax dollars to destroy our history and heritage, and to destroy the very notion of the United States of America. I stand with the ADL in opposing any religious discrimination teachings in any government schools. And I stand against so-called Just Communities race training paid for by our tax dollars. These training classes teach racial, religious, and gender hate. And the sad thing is, the teachers' unions, school boards, and even my opponent Steve Bennett are all on board for these programs. What I do stand for is supporting law enforcement, supporting families and businesses, supporting property rights, builders, and job creators. And I support useful education, math, English, science, history, the arts, and the trades. It's time California gets back on the right track, and I need your help to do it. Can I count on your financial support? Let's back law enforcement, real education, and let's fight against this Marxist takeover of California. I'm Charles Cole, and I approve this message.